Hi, my name is Jenna, and this is my final review video. My project topic was metamorphic rocks in Georgia. So first, I kind of wanted to explain what metamorphic rocks are. And the Wikipedia definition is that metamorphic rocks are rocks that arise from the transformation of existing rock to new types of rock in a process called metamorphism. So basically rocks that have already existed through other processes, whether they're sedimentary rocks or igneous rocks, that later on go through some metamorphic processes. Metamorphism occurs when a rock undergoes those processes and it alters the rock's composition and texture, but it does not melt the mineral crystals. The rock that undergoes the metamorphism is called the protolith, or also called the parent rock. The protolith is altered by heat, pressure, over a period of time, and sometimes it's even chemically altered by reactive fluids. Sometimes the change in texture and composition of a protolith can make it pretty hard to even identify it after it's undergone metamorphism. So there's three processes of metamorphism. The first one is contact, or sometimes called thermal. Contact metamorphism is high temperature with low pressure. It typically occurs from igneous intrusions into some older or colder rocks. The second type is regional. It is characterized by variable temperature with high pressure, and it's normally caused by tectonic processes within the earth. And then the third and final is dynamic. Dynamic has variable temperature and pressure, and it usually occurs in active fault zones. So this right here is just a little graphic about the formation of metamorphic rocks. You can see my little mouse. Igneous rock goes through weathering and erosion. It becomes sediment. Pressure and cementation, it becomes sedimentary rock. Melting, it becomes magma. Heat and pressure becomes a metamorphic rock. It just shows you all the different ways that different things can turn into a metamorphic rock. So there are metamorphic rocks in Georgia in several different areas, mostly in the Blue Ridge Mountains and in the Piedmont region. So the Blue Ridge Mountains consist of a lot of metamorphic rocks. And the mountains themselves are actually highly deformed metamorphic rock that actually dates back to the Precambrian ages. The mountains consist of marble, talc, and other rocks here that are found is granite and gneiss. In the Piedmont region, metamorphic rocks are composed of sediment that's actually somewhere between 300 to 600 million years old, and it's been subjected to high pressures and temperatures, creating a metamorphic rock. Some of the types of rocks in that area include schist, granite, and gneiss as well. Piedmont has lower elevation than the Blue Ridge Mountains, but it's still home to areas like Stone Mountain, so it's still a little more mountainous. But it's actually a little bit more hilly compared to Blue Ridge Mountains. And these are all my works cited. Thanks so much.